first event back after a year and a half. It's so nice to have everybody here. And we're pleased to have Mike DePetro here from Porsche Cars North America. He is the product development manager for the Taycan. So we're certainly happy to help you with all of your Taycan needs. We've got a number of our employees here have Taycans. We've got some Porsche pros who really know the Taycan. So any questions that you have, we're all here for you. Happy to help you out.
Anyway, so you just came back from your test drive. What do you think of the vehicle?
Smooth. I think the acceleration sound that you hear, I mean, is something that you just have to experience.
Well, it's very confidence inspiring. You know, you notice the immediate supply of torque and traction.
Very good. So how'd you enjoy your ride?
It was amazing. It's really amazing. Yeah.
Awesome. We both had two.
Acceleration is amazing.
Yeah.
Just nothing. He got shocked 2 times. And I came accelerating. Whoa!
How'd you like the way the car handles?
It's absolutely beautiful.
Did you both drive?
Yeah, it was a lot. It handled really well, like a real Porsche.
Yeah. Nice.
And it really accelerated.
So what is the Taycan? Taycan is what?
To me, it's like it's effortless speed.
It's an amazing drive. Very
Amazing?
light, yeah, very responsive, and not what I was expecting.
Well, what were you expecting?
I think I was expecting a heavier, more Porsche sort of infrastructure, you know, get that solidity.
Right?
But it just felt as though it could fly.
Well, the big word for me was glide.
Glide?
It doesn't drive, it glides. And it just is incredibly responsive, wonderful ride. It is fantastic.
How'd you feel about the drive?
I like the drive, like he said, it was smooth, it took off, and I did test it out. It does take off. It's really good.
I had driven a Tesla before. I think a Tesla is fast, but you know, Porsche certainly has the edge by far in terms of handling.
We got to go straight a little bit for this one car that turned off, gave us a little space ahead to catch up to him, and it was like nothing we felt here before. That was crazy.
Very nice, good handling.
It's very easy to drive and very responsive.
Yeah.
Very responsive. I'm very impressed.
Yeah.
Yeah. I wasn't for an electric car at first.
Well, that's good. So today changed your mind.
He kept saying, "Oh, you're gonna love it." I do.
Braking is excellent. The layout, the ergonomics, everything is fantastic.
I thought it was powerful, smooth, quiet, very nice.
How about the feel on the road and the handle?
Incredible.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Dialed in.
That's what a lot of
Definitely
people
dialed in.
say. It's like really like
Planted.
stick. Yeah.
You know, my car is, you know, got the headers on it, nice and loud, right? And then this is the polar opposite. But as much as I try to enhance the performance of my car, it's still not this.
Hey, give me 2 adjectives.
Well, it's my next car. Very
Okay.
simple.
My next vehicle.
I guess electrifying wouldn't be, that's kind of like, but it is.
It's corny but true.
It is, it's true.
Absolutely.
It's true.
This commercial